Here I have XIAOMI 12T, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three stripes, go to its settings, and then here you can find volume buttons function. You can set it to shutter, to timer, 2 seconds, zoom, or just volume. I'm gonna set it to zoom and check this feature out. So as you can see right now, with volume keys I can zoom in or zoom out into this flower, for example. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.